Okay, ma'am. We'll start off with the session, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar. I am B. Aditya, pursuing MBA first year from SNIST. Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our HOD, Dr. A. Sanjarani Madam, and all the esteemed faculty of our department, School of Management Studies, for being a pillar of support to us in every minute and major aspects of our student life and after. We are highly thankful to every faculty from the bottom of our heart. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome our guest, Ms. Vangipurappu Hemasri Radha, who is also a proud alumni of our institute. Ms. Radha doesn't require an introduction, as we have heard about her many times from our faculty, and she is one of the most successful entrepreneurs from our college. She has received many awards from state as well as central level as well. She was very clear with her vision from a very young age, because of which she is in this position. She, with her three other friends, has started a business called Migo Products. They are a millet-based snack making company, which are very successful. They have started out in 2016 by entering into 30 schools like Johnson Grammar School and Seaside Grammar School and etc. They have made snacks out of millets with natural flavors, with glossy color covers, which are very attractive to kids. And there are no added preservatives or artificial flavors. So they are really good for health of kids. And now they have started producing into supermarkets like Polymera as well. At first, they have started in an 800 square feet, 1 BHK room, and now they are making their products in a 10,000 square feet unit in Nacharam. This expansion shows their success. Sky is the limit for the success. And now I would like to hand over the session to Ms. Radha. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for such a great introduction, Mr. Aditya. And I'm very happy to present myself, and I'm very, very thankful to ma'am, all the faculty members, HOD ma'am, everybody who are presenting, and all my lovely juniors. And I'm very excited to share with you all about its journey. And I'm sure about today's session will be so helpful for you all, and definitely going to learn many things today. And I hope everybody are safe and are healthy. Please do take care all the precautions because of this COVID. And let's get into the presentation. I have something for you all to share. So yes. Okay. Is everybody can see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's get into this. The session, the topic. What I wanted to tell you all is like today's the session will be the journey of an entrepreneur. So I hope I've chosen this topic because I want everybody in this session to think about this entrepreneurship or to do something for yourself and everything. So let's get into this. What are the topics I will going to cover today is like what is an entrepreneurship. These are the topics like who can be an entrepreneur, how you can be an entrepreneur, like who are entrepreneurs available like doing right now and in India, outside in India, and what we can learn from them, and the impact of how it is COVID-19 is impact everybody in their lifestyle, everything. There's few topics, and apart from this, I'll relate this with my journey so that you'll get a complete picture about entrepreneurship. So this is just a basic definition where you can get it from Google too. So what is an entrepreneurship? Everybody know that setting up your own company and managing all the activities by yourself, that's a process of doing all those things is called entrepreneurship. That is what everybody starts with. So like who will be called as an entrepreneur means those who are like very creative, and those should know how to organize about themselves, and setting all these ideas and everything put together into a legal entity, and taking to do all these things, who takes the risk who associated with the risk will be called as an entrepreneur. And who can become an, this is technically who can be called as an entrepreneur, can be who is like for 18 years and above, that they can be registered themselves, their company can be registered themselves as an company or the startup, whatever it is called as. So compulsory, it is like they should minimum qualifications. Somebody who is also starting up without any qualifications, that is a secondary, but having a good qualifications, certain characteristics, skill sets is very important to become an entrepreneur. And what these are just qualifications which we technical qualifications required to become an entrepreneur. So this just a basic thing where you are going to get it in your studies, where you have studied also. So what I can say is I'll more concentrate on the characteristics and the skill set required for an entrepreneur, because a characteristic for an entrepreneur should be like they have to be persistence, they have like they should have some consistency, accountability. The first thing is like attitude importance the more, which I feel self confidence is also one of the main important, because there are so many situations where you feel low, where you feel high. You should know how to balance the both, that is very important. And you are the self motivator for yourself every time. From the day from the morning you start your journey, you have from like in the morning you have to be motivated by yourself. So you are like your ideal, you're like everything for yourself. So and next to there another thing which I will say is like everybody has to be a self learner. You have to learn everything. Like you should not be come into such a kind of a conclusion like I know everything, I have you don't need this kind of attitude, just forget. Not in this entrepreneurship, but in any field of what you choose, you should be like you should have a skill of continuous learning, and skills like you should have a good communication skills about your subject. And you should maintain how human relationships are really important, because you work with your employees, you work with the people, you work with the customers. You should know how to maintain relationship with each and every person. And this mathematics, see, you should not be like compulsory you should have everything, but some or another way you should have to these things have to complement with each other. See, I'm not good in maths, but I use phone and calculus. I'll take the help of that. That's how you should if you're weak in something, you should take the help of other sources, which I wanted pretend to say. And now I'll explain about how you can become an entrepreneur. What so this where I will little explain about the journey of mine in each and every stage, from the state of idea stage to now the last stage of day-to-day operations. So this idea stage, which I say, is idea development and analysis. See, for example, if I say like when I'm studying my MBA 20 I'm like in the batch of 2014 I started like when I was studying my MBA, like I was so confused that I don't know what to do. But I know only one thing, like after completing my MBA, I want to set up my own company or something. I want to start by my own. So I don't know what I need to start, where I need to start. So that's where our college management, everybody is so supportive in that the generation of idea generation, everything. I suggest you everybody like firstly like ideas అనేవి it's not be like patent ఉండాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. There should not be like something out of the box కూడా ఉండాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Something like if you just see about surroundings చూస్తే, you'll get so many ideas. Startup is something which you are finding a solution to a problem. If you find any problem nearby yourself, like మీ చుట్టుపక్కల ఏమేమి జరుగుతున్నాయో, just see, observe. If you find everybody మీరు ఏదైతే ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారో, the same problem is facing by other people, then that if you could able to come up with a solution, that's itself is called an idea. Idea, then developing that idea comes to a startup stage. So just observe that ideas are very very important. And next ఒక ఐడియా కానీ ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్, సపోజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్, యూఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఫీల్డ్, లైక్ ఏదైనా ఒక సర్వీస్, ఐటీ సర్వీస్ పెట్టాలి అనుకున్నారు, మార్కెటింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ పెట్టాలి అనుకున్నా, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ, you have to go through with all these kind of questions. For example, in my case, so I wanted to start a company in a food industry. So what is food industry? I wanted to know what is the product, which a product name teesukovali. Now I have taken a product called health related product. Now I have did a pilot study after completing my MBA, that what is the demand for my product. I did pilot study with the schools, school management, parents, children's, by doing some questionnaires and everything. So this where I understood the demand of the product. And then once the product once I got to know the product, as how it is, the demand ela on the society lo teluskunna tarvata, now I have seen what is the solution my product gives to people. Now it's like when I've seen when I go visit many schools and school management, the one problem what they used to tell me, like the children are more addicted to junk food. Morning in the breakfast time, they used to get snacks, like inti nunche breakfast techukunde vallu, but evening ayipoyesariki they more dependent on the outside packets kani, outside snacks, which we are not interested to make them purchase, but we don't have an option. So now I see there is a problem. Okay, ikkada oka problem undi, now I have to find a solution. That's where our idea ni oka solution loga teeskocham. Now we are ready to supply a healthy snacks in the school premises, so that the parents need not worry about it, the school management need not worry about it. So that's where the solution has come into. And next, potential customers, this is also one of the main question which you guys need to ask for yourself, like na customers evaraithe na target audience unnaro, whom I wanted to sell this product, will they able to buy my product, is my product is affordable or not anedi you have to question about yourself. So I questioned myself. Now I got to know that the children can spend up to 20 rupees. I know they are dependent on the parents, but they have that access. The parents have given that freedom of 10 to 20 rupees can be purchased they can purchase it. So alaga we have developed such kind of a product which are very affordable for them. Alage next, how long the demand of your product exists. Now we have seen food is always one of the basic need. So we see that there is and that too health sector is definitely there will be a long term, there will be like huge demand. So that's where we have seen this is the right way to go, this is the right direction where we wanted to go. And next, first mover advantage. I'll speak something about this first mover advantage. Like it's not about my company. I'll say about some other. I'll take another example. Like if you see that, you should see is my product is ekkadaina, you should have to search for the competitors. Market lo nalanti product iche vallu evaraina unnara. Firstly, we have that first mover of advantage with the schools, because when schools vellinappudu we were the first people who wanted to who had come up with this kind of plan. But apart from this, I'll take another general example which you can relate, you guys, like take an example of a Swiggy. Swiggy is like one of the first mover advantage in Hyderabad once they were started. But dan tarvata the second is like a Zomato. Now it's like it's not compulsory that me teeskoche prati product or idea, it should not be like first time undalsina avasram ledu. If see, for example, Zomato undi, they have seen this, they have did the SWOT analysis. Hope you already know about the SWOT analysis. So while SWOT analysis చేసిన తర్వాత then they get to know how do they want to enter into the market. That's where you have to understand about your industry, about your market and everything. And now you also need to focus about the technology plays a key role in every industry. Like for example, in my own company, the product development, usually we used to do all the task. Now the technology, we have technology advancement, we tie up with the expertise in our own industry. I'll let you know who are those expertise in the coming slides. So that makes us to the services gani, in terms of product enhancement gani, product development gani, technology plays a key role. So you need to keep on update yourself with the technology related products వచ్చిna gani. So that's where, see, so this is called, what I say is like, from idea generation nunchi oka idea ni to convert into a reality liki తీసుకురావడానికి you have to do all these analysis by yourself. Then once you are fixed, then I have my product is ready, my service, a product or service. Now you feel like now everything is ready. Now what I need to do, the business plan, B plan. Trust me, guys, like I don't know what is a B plan in when I was like even after. And we know the basic formats avanni also, but don't know how to implement ela cheyali, because I'm so confused. I don't know how to do. So it's like, for me, it's like a very, whenever anybody asks me what is your B plan, I was so in a confusion state. It is okay to be in a confusion stage, but you need to work on for your confusion. So I studied about this business plan intent, everything step by step. I have studied, I've taken help from our faculty nunchi kani, from expertise from the outside. So that is where you need to take a help and suggestions from everybody. So ఈ business plan ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అని అంటే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఈ ఐడియా, మీ ఒక సమ్మరీ టైప్, మీ ఒక who will be there executive summary type ఒక రాసుకున్న తర్వాత, then the product and services you offer, then you have to be very clear about your product. You know what your product mean to you, and you should మీకు తెలియాలి like how you can showcase yourself to a customer, to your client, whoever it might be. And next, second plan is like e-product and services. So everything you have to, who are your vendors from supply chain. For example, let me take in my food industry. So for me, I need to write down about my supply chain management lo vendors related gani, transportation in gani, transportation out gani, and next na oka suppliers evaru, naaku oka supporters evaru unnaru, everything I have to mention. So naaku unna business plan ki I write down who are my supply chain vendors, and I write down my who vendors, like my నేను సప్లై చేసే కస్టమర్స్ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు, నాకు ఏమేమి ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, హౌ ఐ కెన్ ఐ టార్గెట్ టు దీస్ కస్టమర్స్, వాళ్ళ ఒక పొటెన్షియల్ ఎంత ఉన్నది. దిస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ అనమాట, దిస్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ అండ్ సర్వీస్ ప్లాన్. అండ్ దిస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ టీమ్. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు నో హౌ మచ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ద సప్లై చైన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉంటే అక్కడ ఒక టీమ్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రీ ప్రొడక్షన్, పోస్ట్ ప్రొడక్షన్, R&D టీమ్ ఒకటి. అండ్ వన్స్ ద product is ready, then that is supplied to packing area ku vellin tarvata, storage department, packing department, then delivery department, logistic departments. This is like in the production factory area lo idoka department. After the factory అయిపోయిన తర్వాత, then there will be marketing team, how the logistics team gani. So how product development state దగ్గర నుంచి product end in తర్వాత product end to customers, everything there is a team. You should know that plan also need to be designed. మీ సర్వీస్ ఏదైతే అనుకుంటారో, whatever the product you have designed, so మీ దాంట్లో ఏమేం డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. For example, if you take an IT industry అని అనుకుంటే, what are the different departments I have, and దాంట్లో ఏ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఏ పీపుల్ అవసరం ఉంటారు అనేది you need to write down all these things. And alage industry market analysis, this is very 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 important. So me subjects lo compulsory you will study about this industry and market analysis, like internal factors and external factors అని చెప్పేసి, there are so much you need to work on it anamata. So there, like internal ga what are the factors will affect, external there are, like for example corona is like external factor which is not under our control. So this dynamic, that how your plan will going to be dynamic, ilanti situations vachinappudu elanti strategies తీసుకోవాలి. So there are some few things which is not under your control, few things which are your control. అలాగే మీ కాంపిటీటర్స్ ఏమేం చేస్తున్నారు, who are your competitors, what kind of strategies they are taking out. Every time you need to be completely focused about your industry. Like for example, in my company there are food, ఇప్పుడు there are so many companies are coming into the market. Now I'll see how what kind of product they are coming in, what kind of strategies they are taking. Like ఒక product, if they wanted to sell, what they are like, what makes them to ఒక కస్టమర్ వచ్చి ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు అంటే ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నారు, వాట్ వాళ్ళు అంతలో ఏం అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎదర్ ఇట్ కుడ్ బి డిస్కౌంట్స్ ఇచ్చి కానీ, కూపన్స్ ఇచ్చి కానీ, ప్రోడక్ట్ ఒక ఫీచర్స్ ని హైలైట్ చేసి కానీ. టేక్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ కిండర్ జాయ్. కిండర్ జాయ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దే హైలైటెడ్ their marketing strategies completely ఎలా ప్లాన్ కి వాళ్ళు లాంచ్ చేశారని కానీ, లైక్ యూ టేక్ అన్ ఐడి ఇడ్లీ బ్యాటర్ పన్నీర్ ఇవన్నీ తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు, సో దేర్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఇన్ టు మార్కెట్ is like very different. the approach is very different way. The packing, say road side kuda manaki kirana stores lo kuda doruktayi, but how ID guys successful because of they just change the packing and the strategies entering into the market. That's how we have to be so creative, so different about our product and service what we offer to a customer. So they have seen the problem what a customer is facing. Now they are coming up with this kind of vada చేసుకుంటే ఒక టెక్నాలజీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్యాకింగ్ దే డిజైన్. వై డిడ్ దే డిజైన్? బికాస్ దే హ్యావ్ సీన్ అ కస్టమర్ ఒక వడ వేయడానికి ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారు. నో ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ అ సొల్యూషన్, యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు బి వరీ అబౌట్ ఇట్. సో అట్లా దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అనాలిసిస్ వై ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకంటే దిస్ విల్ హెల్ప్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ప్రోడక్ట్, డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సర్వీస్, అవన్నిటికీ ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఆపరేషనల్ లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాన్ ఇవన్నీ చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ ఆపరేషన్ what you can do it. For example, what is his task? If you have a supervisor, you should know what a supervisor has to do, what kind of task you need to do. You should know the goals. మీ యొక్క next 4-5 years or 6-7 years 6 months plan ఏముంటుంది. In 6 months plan లో I want to reach ఈ product అనేది నా potential customers కి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి. ఒక 100 customers. Let's take example of మీ service is IT service అయితే I need to get a 5 clients by this 6 months లో నేను 5 clients ని approach అవ్వాలి. So 5 clients ని approach అవ్వాలి అంటే what are the task? Back end, front end, both ways you need to work on your plan. So a plan prakaramga day to day operations kuda meer design cheyali. That day to day operation has to be known to the managing, ante మీ యొక్క management team ki kuda ardhamayela undali. Everybody has to coordinate with each other అని చెప్పారు. And there is organization level strategies plan అని అంటారు. Marketing plan, మీ product ని market లోకి ఎలా తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. So how is very very important. It should not like something, it's like there are two kind of strategies marketing lo, okati push and inkoti pull market. So push strategy or pull strategy anedi kuda you have to work on it, and based on that we have to take a decision. Take an example of in my industry there are push strategy is like big companies they do is like they mass their products ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో 5 rupees or 10 rupees లో తీసుకొచ్చేసి they will push into the market అంతే. అదే pull marketing like yeah, I'm telling an example of Lay's gaani like Kurkure gaani. They say they will like they manufacture cost budget effective way lo they create that product and they will push into the market. The mass level lo they will push the product. Now pull the product ante we have to create a demand to our product. That is what our strategy used to be in the initial stages. So memo demand anedi market nunche ravali. So market has to, we want a customer to understand why it is important for them. So alage school children ki awareness ichi వాళ్ళకి తెలిస్తే they will automatically once they get to know about my product in the school level of teliste, if for example if I couldn't able to supply to school and if I kept supply to a store near to a school, then they will recognize the product. Yes, I know this product నేను తిన్నాను and now I'll take this product and that kind of a strategy we have designed for our marketing plan. Alage next growth and financial plan is also very important. You should know when you wanted to scale up, eppudu na company ni next level ki తీసుకెళ్ళాలి and what kind of activities I need to do, and ilanti growth తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి like what I need, like everything next level ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఏంటి అనేది కంపల్సరీ you have to have a clean analysis and prati okkati you have to every time it's not like fixed anedi undadu, you every time it will depends and change avutu untundi. Financial is also very important. Every rupee what you are spending for your company is very important. What you are spending for yourself is all, you are accountable for your finance. You should be accountable every rupee what you are spending in the company. So this is how you can design your own business plan and then presenting your business plan to investors. Now what I did ante once naku oka idea vachin tarvata then I started thinking about this idea. Now I know that see this is where I get motivated. Okati entante when I was studying my college days, so I know నాకు ideas వస్తున్నాయి but I don't know because I'm not financially stable. I don't want to take any amount from my parents. So what I thought is like I approached to our faculty and I said I wanted to start my own company but I don't know, I'm not financially stable. But our faculty is the suggestion which they gave me is like, I'm telling you this is the true, I'm seriously telling you this is the true because by it there are so many people who have money but they don't have an idea. There are so many organizations who supports you for your idea, and many nowadays the government is supporting many startup companies. So that day they pushed me to start implement it. And when you present this idea, where there are so many people who will be ready to invest in your company annappudu, then I took that, okay fine, let me just convert this idea into a reality, and then I have decided. Same thing, if you have any idea, if you are confident about yourself, then plan it, take the help of everybody, mentor petkoni, just do it. And then ఆ ఐడియాని you can go and explain to the potential investors, like వీళ్ళని angel investors అని కూడా అంటారు, like your friends, your family members, your like the people who are interested to this investing in this kind of your ideas. Well, you can approach and you can tell them, this is what my idea and I want to do this and I have did this. You can do some ground research anta chesi, you can do it. And then if not like that, and there are so many, I know many people who do this. Bank loans are, we already know about credit unions, insurance, and non-banking financial services కానీ ఇవన్నీ తెలుసు. Apart from this, there are so many organizations కూడా ఉన్నాయి. They like schemes ఉన్నాయి, government schemes like ముద్రా scheme అని ఒకటి ఉంది, స్టార్ట్అప్ ఇండియా ఒక scheme ఒకటి ఉంది, స్టాండ్ అప్ ఇండియా స్కీమ్ ఒకటి ఉంది. There are so many grants. I'll speak about grant in my later slide because we received a grant. I'll speak about that, how we received and everything in my later slide. So don't worry about the finance and everything. People are there, seriously people are there outside. If you're worrying about finance ledu, no I couldn't able to start అనేది అనుకుంటే, if not that, just work out about your idea and do and implement it. Next, once you have an idea, you have a plan, you have some clarity about your what you want to do, then you should go for a legal requirements, like first incorporation of certification, like మీ యొక్క కంపెనీని మీరు రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోవాలి, certification. That's a very easy process. You can go to any legal advisors దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినా, they'll just do it. That's not a big problem. And second వచ్చేసి, what kind of licenses you required for your company. Like for example, in my food industry, I need to take FSSAI, food license and certificate ఒకటి compulsory ఉండాలి. And second, trade license I need to take a trade license, labor license అనేది important. And now I have taken GST ఒకటి, MSME అని ఒకటి, ఇట్లా there are so many licenses ఉంటాయి, which I should know all those licenses and అవి నేను తీసుకోవాలి. You should also know about what kind of licenses I required, and వాటికి you have to avail for those licenses. And next, you should compulsory know what are the terms and conditions are there in that license. For example, let us take an example of FSSAI. So there are three kind of stages ఉంటాయి, ఒకటి basic level, state level and central level. మాకు ఈ లైసెన్సెస్ పైన స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఐడియా లేకపోవడం వల్ల we have taken a basic, but being a manufacturer we need to take a central license. Now we got to know that central license is very important for our company. Now we have registered our company in terms of a central license. So you should know everything. So మీరు ఏ కేటగిరీకి వస్తున్నారు, ఏ కేటగిరీలో నేను రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వాలి అనేది కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. You have to take second opinions అంటారు, ఒక 3-4 people legal people advice తీసుకొని you have to opt for it. And also I would also give you this suggestion, many people have gave me this. So there are two registrations లో కూడా there is like sole proprietary registration ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, లేదా partnership. These two partnership అంటారు, or else private limited company అంటారు. Initial stages I request you to don't go for a private limited company. So you go once you are confident, because private limited companies lo there are so many legalities and so much of investment you have to keep, and that will be a so burden అయిపోతుంది. So instead, either if you are a single person starting up your own company, then go for a sole proprietorship. If not, ఒక 3-4 partners కలిసి చేస్తున్నారు అని అంటే, then go for a partnership. It is also very much valid, very much acceptable until unless you go for a VCs or some other government things. But until then, private limited, public, like I say, this partnership deed and sole proprietor is very much acceptable in every where. And next, government, next what I can say is like, yeah, everything, the tax and regulations, GST, everything you should know. The legalities paranga meer velladam, it is, I suggest you to go in a legal way, which is very very much good. And everything, okay, 1 rupee if you're spending, you should even have your own current account. There are two accounts untai kada, savings accounts and current account. Current account kuda you have to have your own current account, and that kind of legalities ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే I suggest you to go for a freelancing legal advisor teams ఉంటారు. You can go ahead and sit with them, ask them all the legal things అన్ని అడిగి proper గా you do everything. And next, protecting your business. So you have an idea and you know your idea is very unique. You can go for your, if my case is like I did my trademark registration for my logo and for my name. I'll tell you, this is very, very important. Your name and your logo has to be trademark once you have decided. And how do you know whether your trademark is there are some websites ఉంటాయి. వెబ్సైట్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి if you search that MNC websites కానీ ఆ నేమ్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉందా లేదా, ఆర్ సమ్ లీగల్ పీపుల్ కూడా ఉంటారు. దే విల్ లెట్ యు నో వెదర్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఈస్ యూనిక్ ఆర్ నాట్. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఇలాంటి పేరుతో వేరే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా లేదా అనేది కంపల్సరీ ఫస్ట్ యూ గైస్ నీడ్ టు search చేసిన తర్వాత, నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫీల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ యూనిక్ నేమ్, ఎక్కడ లేదు, అండ్ ద లోగో విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డిజైన్డ్ is also something different, అంటే then go for it and do a trademark. This is very important because in this also we have faced an issue. Our company name is like Nutri Snacks earlier. So Nutri anedi, it's a very common name used by many people. So in future case, then we may get a problem in terms of a Nutri paina kuda basic problems vastayi ani cheppi, then we got to know, and then we have defined our company name as a brand name ga Migo ani తీసుకున్నాం. Once we got to know, then we did a trademark. అది మీరు trademark చేయకపోవడం వల్ల, ఒకవేళ if your company is flourishing, if your whatever like it is going very well and you didn't do a trademark, some other people will do on your name and they will take వాళ్ళ నేమ్ ఇవ్వకుండా మిమ్మల్ని, like they can do all those things అన్నమాట. They will ask money for the name. So that kind of legality issues రాకుండా ఉండడం కోసం you guys need to decide first of all your name, and if you want to do, go ahead and do a trademark. Patents గానీ, if your idea is new and these are like intellectual property rights అనేవి, there are you can ask our faculty members also. They will help you on this. Our college లో కూడా IPR related, they will going to help you if your idea is so innovative ga unte that you can go ahead with the patents. And copyrights you already know. If you have any creative works, like for example pictures gaani even unte, you can avanni copy cheyakunda you can have your own copyrights. So this is also, you have to keep these things in your mind. Day-to-day operations. As I said, day-to-day operations is like, see, you should know each and every department. As I told you, I have so many departments in my own management, like in my company. For example, I said supply chain management, I said production management, I said procurement people, I said delivery team, I said packing team, I said storage, marketing team. So these are like every departments వాళ్ళు ఒక ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారు, ఎవ్రీబడి వాళ్ళ ఒక రోల్స్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ ఒక డిపార్ట్మెంటల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ డే టు డే గోల్స్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ అ ప్రాపర్ వే ఎవ్రీ డే. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ఆన్ వర్క్. ఒక SOPs అనేది స్టాండర్డ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ISO certificate for your company, you should also follow the standard operating procedures. That's are very important for any company. For dedication, discipline అనేది any company కి వచ్చేది by following all these operations అన్నమాట. And then motivate every day. Motivating your team is very important. For that, I have told you, entrepreneur has to be self-motivate. If you are the only one for yourself to get motivated. Meer motivate aitene you can, me okay employees ni you will motivate them very well. So that's why you have to be highly motivated, and me team ki kuda a kind of boost and that kind of goal setting anedi you guys need to take, because this is your people. You are the leader for your organization. And ప్రతి ఒక్క మీ క్లయింట్స్ తో కానీ, this is very important. You should know how to behave with your clients, how to engage with your clients, how to be in touch with your clients, because there some or other way today they may not be require your service or product, but in the future they may require your service and your product. That time, if you are not in touch with them, some other competitor will come and take that project. So you should know, you should be in touch, you should engage with your corporate, like your vendors, your service agencies, or your customers, your corporate clients, everything. So that is also, you need to maintain a clear date of it. And next, these are few young entrepreneurs which are less than 30. And then వీళ్ళ గురించి each and every detail చెప్పను, because I want you guys to go and study about them, understand about them, and telling you guys, everybody has their own struggles. So every industry has their own struggles. So you will definitely understand about, once you start studying about these guys, you will get to know what kind of challenges they have faced. And I suggest you to go ahead and read about this Ritesh Agarwal OYO related gurinchi. Just study about them. It's very interesting. Now, what is his current position? Go to chudandi. So that's a very recently. There are so many news coming about OYO also. You'll get so much of knowledge studying about them. I personally like Redbus, Swiggy, Paytm. I admire them a lot because they look at the example of a Redbus. He just find a solution for the people long queue lo undi oka bus ticket book cheskodaniki problem అవుతుందని చెప్పి he designed this ఒక solution తీసుకొచ్చాడు Redbus అని చెప్పి. So that kind of it's just a simple idea. Even Amazon చూడండి, Flipkart చూడండి, what are they like doing any innovative things? No, they are doing just they are creating an easy they are giving them easy thing for the customers or the clients. That's what you have to see. Just explore yourself, me surroundings, me. You have to understand about your surroundings, what kind of problems are facing people, elanti problems unnai. If everybody are facing, then go ahead. That is your idea. Start working on it and find a solution to it. That is what I have learned from my experience. And this is worldwide. See, even with Facebook, how did he get an idea? Just see, this is like in our grade parent stage lo unnapudaithe ma parents wala friends, and they're not in touch with them that time. Like there was no technology, there was no phone communications. Now we are in touch with our school friends. Now we are in touch with our everybody in touch because of this kind of ideas, and this kind of startups companies are coming. And now how you can see where he is now. See, this is idea is very like chinna stage lone start avutundi, that can grow into a bigger level once you start doing it, and you should have that kind of a passion to take to a next level. So study about all these startup companies. You'll definitely learn each and every company nunchi you will learn something from them. And also these are like one of I admire women entrepreneurs a lot. So like they did Valoka industry lo, they are doing immense work in their own industry. So study about them too. So they are very successful, and they're very bold. They're very, so those who are presenting in this session, the women who are presenting in the girls who are presented in this session also, I tell them, see, don't worry about something what others think. Avanni em aalochinchakandi, go ahead. Many women are doing so much great efforts చేస్తున్నారు. You don't worry about anything, just do it. You girls are like apart from guys ki enta courage untundo, girls ki kuda antkane ekku courage untundi. Just go ahead. I know everybody has their own problems, but if you start working on it, nothing is impossible, which I believe. And what you can learn from an entrepreneur ante, see, that is a burning desire, and you should have that burning desire. I want to do it, that no matter what, I have to do it. That's it. Because in your journey, you will going to find so much of criticism, so much of negativism. You have to have that. If you don't have that kind of desire, and if you just listen to others, pakkina vallu em anukuntunnaru or others em anukuntunnaru an oka thought process unte, you can't do anything. It's not about an entrepreneur, it's about in every field what you choose, you can't give your best. So you should have a burning desire. Moreover that, you should have that passion to do it. And risk taking undali. Risk in terms of calculated risk undali. It should not be like, I'll go now and ocean lo swim chesestanu, I go ఆకాశాన్ని మొత్తం చుట్టేస్తాం. That kind of, that is not called as a risk. That risk should be a calculated risk ఉండాలి. ఎలా అంటే, as I told you in the initial previous slides లో చెప్పినట్టు, you should work on about your abilities, your strengths, your market, your idea, everything work చేస్తున్నప్పుడు you will get to know, confident, you will take a risk. And like self motivation, as I told you, self motivation is very important. And passion, as I already discussed, passion and attitude is right kind of attitude is very important. So meer enta great position kelna, you should know your grounds. That is very important in any industry what you choose. And you should love about your mother nature, and you should love about yourself. So that is what in my industry, like while I'm studying my MBA, so I did complete my project on fast food industry. I used to set up a company in a fast food industry. అందుకే నేను my complete 2 years project work మొత్తం fast food industry మీద చేసినప్పుడు then I'll get to know what are the side effects, how it is harmful to our people and our society. Then I said, it is why it isn't it my responsibility that now oka society, now oka community ki what I am doing it for. There are other companies, the major companies which are there, fast food industry, they are from other countries, and they are like doing all these products what they are giving to us is not at all good for the community. So I took like I and there are so many examples also in my relatives kani. There are 6 years children kani, 10 years children, they are facing gastric problems kani, obesity early ages lo raavadam. Now I've seen why all these things are happening. Then I get know this is because of the lifestyle which we are not about only the food, ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ కానీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మన గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఉండే లైఫ్ స్టైల్ కి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫాలో అవుతున్న లైఫ్ స్టైల్ కి చాలా డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయని తెలిసి నౌ ఐ టుక్ దిస్ యాజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ టు కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ bring back some changes in the society. So I've desired much to do something to our society and good to the community. And yes, COVID, this also affect our company a lot, because I'll tell you. So before COVID, our major market, 80% of market was schools, colleges, and IT companies. Now, after COVID started, the schools got shut down and colleges got shut down, and IT companies, almost all 80% of people are working from home. So my complete 80% market has got collapsed. So now what is my next? This is one of the biggest challenge which we have faced in our journey, but we didn't give up, because food is, as we told you, food is a basic need for everybody. Now we have searched for the alternatives where my potential customers will go. So we have seen there are people who go for, so now we are entering into a retail chain, retail traditional market, and we are also going to the gated communities. We are tying up cross marketing promotions. So we are seeing all the possibilities where I can reach to my potential customers. So that's where, see, the negative impact what we have seen is like many of my friends who lost their job in this COVID-19, and few friends are like their work has been doubled. Few friends are working in IT companies. They are not getting, they are like working like hell, like morning, they don't have any fixed timings, and the few are like their pay cuts are off, this kind of negative. And many in my circle, there are many women entrepreneurs, there are many entrepreneurs, they're shutting their own company. The cottage industries are they're affecting the more, because they don't have a liquid cash అనేది లేకపోవడం వల్ల so many people survive అవ్వలేకపోవడం వల్ల ఎన్నో companies they shut down. So this affects them a lot. COVID really affected many people, and I have seen them personally. And next, చాలా మంది మనకి తెలిసిన వాళ్ళని, close people కూడా we have lost. So this is negative impact which I can say. But when you see on other side of a coin, every coin has a two sides అంటారు. Negative impact and the same way positive side చూస్తే they have created so many new opportunities. Many people like ఒక entrepreneur, కొత్త ఎంతో మంది entrepreneurs బయటకు వస్తున్నాయి, ఎన్నో గొప్ప ideas బయటకు వస్తున్నాయి because of this. They have seen the positive side also of this negative thing what is happening. And next, technology కూడా చాలా boost up అయింది. టెక్నాలజీలో చాలా services ని boost up అయింది. And now you guys have so much of time to work on your skills, multiple skills ni నేర్చుకునే opportunity. There are many platforms are coming. So if you are interested in any field, go ahead, do some learn some skills. Cross learning skills are also very important. Now like us and entrepreneurs, మేమేం చూస్తున్నామంటే now we are planning for Tier 1, Tier 2 cities, metro cities ni ఎలా మేము expand చేయాలి, market ni ఎలా reach తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. Now digital marketing, digital platform become a very boom. Now like one of the successful people in this COVID-19 are, apart from this medical services, digital people like online service people have become more successful, like Amazon gani, Swiggy gani, door delivery చేసేవాళ్ళు. So that's how we have to see the potential ekkada undi market. Now how do I have to tie up myself with those kind of people అనేది this is how you need to work on whenever you face. Why I'm telling you all this, because these challenges every stage lo vastune untayi. It's not about initial stage, it's not about the growth stage, it's not about the final stage. Every stage lo you're going to face some or another way the challenges untayi. You should embrace that. Like you should accept the challenge and find a solution to that challenge is like a good, that kind of attitude you need to have. So next, now I'll just briefly give about my journey. So this is my company, MeGo, millet snack on the go. So wherever you go, carry a healthy snack anedi our motto. And we are the four pillars, with four founders of this company. So Madhavi, she take care of production and operations. Rohit, he take care of the person. He's Rohit, and he take care of strategy and finance. And he's Karun, and he take care of marketing and operation, logistics department. And I myself will take care of operations and marketing department. So మేము ఏం చేసామంటే మా టీమ్ లో ఎవరెవరికి what is their strength, what is their potential చూసుకొని we have divide the task according to our strengths and abilities. Initial stages లో, starting stages లో మేమందరం every activity చేసేవాళ్ళం. Now we have divided our activities, my interest in తగ్గట్టు divide. That's how you guys need to, a team effort, a team is very important. That is also what I learned from my company, like from our college. My college management, they told me like, you know, if business successful avachchu, but can make or break a company. That's really, really important, having a good and potential team. And what we have seen in the problems మేము ఎక్కువ చూసింది ఏంటంటే unhealthy eating habits కానీ, eating unhealthy food కానీ, not eating right food కానీ, more amount NCDs, if you have seen increasing amount of obesity, diabetes, non-communicable diseases, ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళిపోవడం. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ market లో launch చేద్దాం అనుకున్నప్పుడు, these are the most common excuses which we heard from the people. There is like few people say I'm so busy, a few people say I can't, this is healthy, I can't prepare the food, or the food is not so tasty, or I'm addicted to the junk food. And few people, like they used to say life is so short, okay, why you should have to worry about the food, it's okay, now I will just eat whatever I want to. But for them all, what we wanted, the solution which we wanted to give all those excuses are like, we wanted to motivate them to take, it's not about, we wanted to tell them why it is important for them to have a healthy food. It's not about our product, it's about a healthy food. Lifestyle of their day-to-day lifestyle is very, very important, because you don't dream yourself. నేను 60 years వచ్చినప్పుడు, నా 60 years age లో I don't want to spend my time in the hospital bed, spending time like మెడికల్ బిల్స్ పే చేస్తూ ఉండాలని ఎవ్రీబడి, ఎవరు అలాంటి డ్రీమ్ తీసుకోరు. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీ వాంట్ ఎవ్రీబడి. సో యూ వాంటెడ్ టు ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ టు ద ఫుల్లెస్ట్. మీ లాస్ట్ డే వరకు కూడా యూ హ్యావ్ టు బీ డూ యువర్ ఓన్ వర్క్స్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ మై గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్. దే యూస్ టు, they didn't depend upon my parents, or they have been doing their own activities by themselves. That's one of the greatest thing which I can say. How this comes under, because of this good lifestyle maintain cheyadam. So and next, our vision is to like most favorable ready to eat healthy snacks company avali. That is our vision. So wherever they go, that MeGo is like a healthy snack. They can undoubtedly can grab snack, and they don't feel guilty for the product what they eat. And mission is to, yes, the manufacturing and supplying the ready to eat millet based snack, not only millet but healthy, mostly a nutritious product ki and janalloki తీసుకెళ్ళాలి అనేది, it is our own mission. And yes, so as I told you, I'll discuss about this IIMR, Indian Institute of Millet Research. So what, I'm not a nutritionist, I don't have a good no, I know about food and everything, but I'm not an expert in this. So what I did, and I have tie up with the expertise. So IIMR is dedicated for millet research. It's an Indian Institute of Millet Research. Then Rajendra Nagar in Hyderabad. If you have any, after COVID, if you can go and you can visit their premises and you can see what the technologies they have and everything. You can go and you can explore and everything. It's a very good organization. So we tie up with them. And అక్కడ ఉండే scientists గాని, వాళ్ళ యొక్క టెక్నాలజీస్ కానీ, worked with them. Nutritionists, that food scientists, food technologists, now to our generation, వాళ్ళు తీసుకునే food culture, వాళ్ళ lifestyle is living example for us. So we associated with all these people, we took suggestions and ideas from them, and that's how we develop our product. So and IMR, I told you related to this finance related, right? So IMR is one of the organization who not only, they also have an incubation center. We are the incubators of IMR, Indian Institute of Research. So in the process of incubation, the central government ఒక scheme ఉంది, RKVY Raftar scheme. So they support young startups. This is a grant meaning ఏంటంటే you don't need to pay back, you don't need to give any interest. It's a money which is government is giving to you, helping you helping to a startup anamata. That's how we received. So there are almost 18 companies, whatever incubators unte, we were also selected one among them, and we received a grant from them. That's how financial support kuda ochindi. So I'm telling you guys, don't worry about the finance, just focus on your idea, implement your idea, experiment cheyandi, work on it, and just be confident about your idea. People are there, government schemes are there to support your idea. T-Hub undi, V-Hub undi, they are also, now we are getting offers like etla ante chaala mandi now they wanted to invest in our company. They are coming, many people are asking us, I wanted to invest in your company, how should I have to? Now we are in a stage to approach a VC. Oka VC ki approach avdaniki we are doing all the plans. Now VCs are also asking us, now selecting us as one of the company to funding in our company. So these kind of activities will be takes place. It takes time, but definitely takes place. So and this is about a product, how the packet look like, and very soon, yes, there are so many things are happening in coming days. You'll definitely going to see, and I'm very much sure in next 4 months you're going to see our product next to your store or next to your place, because we are doing so many activities. And this is a retail, this is not a retail pack, this is a home delivery pack. We are going to launch a retail pack for the retail sector, for the stores. So you're going to see all those things, and these are few initial stage of encouragements which we got. So this is a kind of support we got it from Mr. Katie sir. So this is like a journey where there were like among 80 startup companies approach aithe through VHub. So we were selected one among them to for one of the best like startups law and sanctioning a loan to us. So a loan letter is sanctioned. We got a sanction letter from KTR sir. That was a great interactive session we had with them too. And as a school logoda, wherever we go, the kind of services which we have given to the school management, they also liked very well. And there is a stall initial stages low. We used to keep our products in different kind of events law events lo participate చేసేటప్పుడు like Muhammad Ali sir is like one of the chief guests. So he came to our stall and he tasted all our products. He appreciated it a lot. So there are so many things we used to take. See, mass startup, it's not about only product provide cheyadam ane kaadu. We wanted to educate the people. That's how we used to take sessions for the school children's. Almost we have covered 50 schools. We have more than almost like 75,000 of school children ki memo ee awareness ane స్ప్రెడ్ చేయగలిగాం. లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్ కి కానీ, ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ కి కానీ, లోటస్ ల్యాబ్ స్కూల్ కి కానీ, there are Sri Sai Grammar School, and there are so many schools which I can. And also we supplied to government school. So government Telangana Social Welfare and Residential School, 2 schools ki kuda in a pilot basis lo we supplied our snacks. And that is this kind of this is like one of part of our journey అని చెప్తాం. And మేము ఇంకొక ఇనిషియేటివ్ ఏం తీసుకున్నామంటే స్కూల్ పిల్లలకి, ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో చెప్పడం అనే కాదు, మనం వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రిటీ అంటారు కదా. సో మేము ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మేము చెప్పేది చేసేది ఒకటే ఉంటది అని చూపించడానికి వి ఇన్వైట్ ది స్కూల్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ పీపుల్ our factory. We'll ask them to see how we do, how we prepare your snacks. Whatever the snacks you are eating, you will get to know a live experience and cheppi we'll ask them to come to our factory and make them a live experience anamata. And this is, yes, I'm seriously very thankful. I don't know how to ella cheppali because I have no words. See, I'm telling you guys, you are in a right hands. So entire college faculty, our support inta baaguntadante, you still don't know how I am feeling right now. So I'm telling you, like every faculty is me parents తర్వాత next అంత ఎక్కువ హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యేది ఏంటంటే if you are successful in your field అంటే your our teachers అన్నమాట. సో just go grab this opportunity. మీ చేతిలో చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఉంది. మీకు ఏం ఐడియా ఉన్నా go talk to management, talk to our like our lecturers and talk to them. They'll definitely guide you, చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు, right? And yes, మన కాలేజ్ లో కూడా we kept snacks పెట్టాము. That's where we got that this is CVR college లో we have kept our snacks. And then yes, this is our college premises and our employees and our team. This is few of our products where you can go to our website and you can also available our products in the website. It's also developing. Our website is also redesigned చేస్తున్నాము. And yes, now we are in different supermarkets. Like now we are available in almost or more than 100 stores available ఉన్నాము. One of our famous stores ఏంటంటే Polymeras, right? F&B, fruits and vegetable stores లో ఉన్నాం. We're also available in Flipkart. And yes, as I told you, very very soon you're going to see in everywhere Migo అనేది చాలా ప్లేసెస్ లో you will going to see. So go and see our Instagram and Facebook page. So you will get to know what are the updates మేము ఏం చేస్తాం అవన్నీ. You will keep on get updates అన్నమాట. And this is one of the happiest thing which recently we got ఏంటంటే there was ఒక Indian Express editor, she went to a store and she liked the product, and then she see who is the manufacturer of the product and చూస్తే like Hyderabad based అని తెలిసి she approached us. And generally news articles if you want to publish about yourself you need to pay, but she approached and she took an interview and she appreciated our product and published our article in the newspaper. It's like very great thing, one of the great thing for us. So I really thankful to her too. And yes, so what I can tell you all is like be a job creators. Now it is very important for India, in our society చాలా ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటంటే జాబ్ క్రియేట్ చేసే వాళ్ళు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎవ్రీబడి ఐ డెఫినెట్లీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ మీలో ఉన్న చాలా మంది గొప్ప గొప్ప ఐడియాస్ తో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ష్యూర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, యూ డూ హ్యావ్ మెనీ ఐడియాస్ అని. సో బీ అ జాబ్ క్రియేటర్ అండ్ యా డోంట్ ఫియర్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దిస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ విచ్ ఐ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్. సో ఫర్గెట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ రన్ కంటే ఫేస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ రైజ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒకసారి వెన్ యూ go into higher stages you'll be so proud about yourself and your journey. So yes, I'll be very very thankful for this, and thank you guys. Any questions you can ask, and everybody who are presenting, hope this session is very helpful for you. Yeah. Hello.
Ma'am, it was a beautiful session. It was a great session.
Thank you. I have a video to show you all. Shall I show you now or shall I show you after your questions avanni ayipoyin tarvata?
Yes, students, what happened? Are you looking at the stars instantly? Please, you have such a wonderful opportunity to interact. Feedback you can give later. Please do post questions, the questions that you have. Yes, there is a question, Radha. What was the biggest challenge you faced?
I will say it's just a one challenge. I'll say there are many challenges. One of the biggest is like I personally say there are two things, ma'am. One is financial related challenge which I faced, and then implementation stage low. We were as in the initial stages 800 square feet low oka single floor single apartment lo we used to work, and danni 1000 square feet lo missionaries lo next level lo తీసుకెళ్లడం, that was one of the biggest challenge. It really took one year to develop idea, product development avani తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి. We really had a big challenge అనిపించింది మాకు అప్పుడు.
Let's see, that has come out to be fruitful. Recently, I have seen your products even Plantain Bakers. So next to our house. So as you were saying, you're expanding, right? It is visibly seen here around my place. And I feel proud, you know, whenever I see Migo packet, it's like I go tell in the store that this is one of my students. I feel so proud. Seriously. Thank you so much, Radha, for leaving the pride to all of us.
Means a lot to me, ma'am. Really means a lot to me.
Yeah, another question. What motivated you to choose this product only?
So as I told you, ma'am, initial stage is slow. So we have seen, as I in the journey lo kuda nenu ade explain chesanu. So there are so many people, even I personally, my friends in kuda, everybody are like not having. First thing is like my great grandfather, ఆయన 99 years ఇప్పుడు ఆయనకి, and he still ఆయన is not so dependent on everybody, and 90 ఏజ్ వరకు కూడా he is earning for, అంటే ఆయన పని ఆయన చేసుకోవడం, ఆయన earning కూడా చేయడం ఉండేసరికి I was so impressed how it could be possible అని. సెకండ్ మాకు ఏమనిపించిందంటే అదే my cousins ni చూసినప్పుడు they were having so much of health issues చూడడం, and నేను కూడా personally I have seen some health issues చూసినప్పుడు why it is this happening అనుకున్నప్పుడు then ఈ product is very important. And millets ని తీసుకోవడానికి one of the main reason కూడా ఉంది, that the beautiful reason ఏంటంటే millets don't require they are environmentally friendly crop అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే దే కల్టివేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ లో 10 times less వాటర్ తీసుకుంటాయి when compared to rice and wheat. అండ్ సెకండ్ వచ్చేసి దే ఆర్ లోకలీ, మన హైదరాబాద్ వాళ్ళకి ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లోకలీ గ్రోన్ ఫుడ్. అండ్ ఫార్మర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ క్రాప్ ఏంటంటే మిల్లెట్స్ కి వి డోంట్ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ఎనీ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ కానీ కెమికల్స్ కానీ కల్టివేషన్ లో అవసరం లేదు. వైల్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ వీట్ ఇంకా రైస్ కి అయితే వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ లాడ్ ఆఫ్ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ అండ్ కెమికల్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. అండ్ దే ఆర్ సీజన్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ క్రాప్, ఎలాంటి సీజన్ లో అయినా మిల్లెట్స్ అనేవి గ్రో అవుతాయి. అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్ బెనిఫిట్స్ వెన్ కంపేర్ టు ద రైస్ అండ్ వీట్. సో ఇన్ని మంచి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉండి కూడా వై ఆర్ వి లూజింగ్, ఎందుకు అది మనం మిస్ అవుతున్నాం అన్నది ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ చూసుకొని దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ దిస్. ద బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆర్ ఫార్మర్స్. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ గైస్, దే ఆర్ ఈటింగ్, దే విల్ ఈట్ మార్నింగ్ పూట జొన్న రొట్టెలు. వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ దెమ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దర్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అన్నప్పుడు జొన్న రొట్టెలు, రాగి జావా ఇవి తాగి దే గో ఫర్ వర్క్, ఈవినింగ్ వరకు వర్క్ చేసి అండ్ దే విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్. అండ్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ అబౌట్ ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే మిల్లెట్స్ దే కాంప్లెక్స్, లైక్ కొంచెం సబ్జెక్టివ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఒకటి చెప్తాను, లైక్ కాంప్లెక్స్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ అనమాట, లో జిఐ. ఏంటంటే రైస్ తీసుకున్న వెంటనే స్పెషల్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ స్పీకింగ్ అబౌట్ బ్రౌన్ రైస్, ఐఎమ్ స్పీకింగ్ అబౌట్ పాలిష్డ్ వైట్ రైస్. సో తీసుకున్న వెంటనే అది బాడీలో గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ అనేవి తొందరగా ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు మిల్లెట్స్ ఏంటంటే ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్ అనేవి ఈవెన్ సస్టైనబుల్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో మెనీ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ చూసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇలాంటి మంచి సూపర్ ఫుడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ని వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ to the next level. And next year central government is about to launch millets అనేవి. They're like very much focused about millets కానీ millet based startup companies కానీ products ని కానీ. So it will be a next boom in our in and around in India or like in the world. Yes.
Okay, another question, Radha. What motivates you in your low time? From Prishita.
Okay, that's a good question. Like motivates me and firstly it's like there are many things. There are people who dependent on me. I'm giving food to the families. Okay, 10 people now, I have 11 people working under me. So like I have every day they're like they dependent on me. That is one of the motivation. Second motivation, ఇంత జర్నీ చేసి వచ్చాను, why I am doing this all for the good to the society, good to the environment. No, I shouldn't have to give up so easily. I'm that kind of a person. I don't like to give up so easily. If I wanted to give up, then tell me one, I'll ask to myself like, okay, reason నీకు నువ్వు ఇచ్చుకో, నువ్వు ఎందుకు give up ఇద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు. I'm telling you guys, like in starting stage లో what I told to my parents ఏంటంటే ఒకటే చెప్పాను, 6 months time or 1 year time ఇవ్వండి. I wanted to see whether ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీలో బూమ్ ఉందా లేదా, లైక్ నేను బిజినెస్ అనేది చేయగలుగుతానా లేదా అనేది చూస్తాను. నేను చేయలేను అని అంటే ఎనీహౌ ఐ గో ఫర్ అ జాబ్, నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ ఐ కెన్ డూ, ఐ కంటిన్యూ అనేది ఒక ఛాలెంజ్ లా తీసుకొని ఐ కమ్. సో ఒక థింగ్ అనేది మైండ్ లో ఫిక్స్ చేసుకున్నాను. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గివ్ అప్ సో ఈజీలీ అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ ఐ గెట్ కన్విన్స్డ్. సో ఐ వాజ్ అనేబుల్ టు కన్విన్స్డ్ విత్ మై లో సిచ్యువేషన్. సో ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ టైమ్, ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాసెస్ అంతే. అప్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ అనేవి ఎనీ లైఫ్ లో ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాసెస్. యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు గో త్రూ ఇట్. టైమ్ heals everything అంటారు కదా, that's so. Yeah, and I have good parent support ఉంది కాబట్టి, and people team support ఉంది. So it's like okay.
Nice. Another question. Now questions are flooding. Are you planning to expand all over India?
Yes. Yeah, currently now we have a pan India deliveries ఉన్నాయి. We get orders from Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, everywhere వస్తున్నాయి. But apart from this retail chain లో, yes, first of all our strategy is to expand in Hyderabad and metro tier 1 cities ఉన్నాయి. And after one tier 1 cities తర్వాత next year our business plan is to expand in metro cities, and we are getting inquiries from different states also to take a distribution of our products. Yes, very soon you're going to see in other cities, sorry, in other states also.
Yeah. Where do you get the raw materials from? Yeah.
Yes. So here I want to address the farmers, the support which we got from the farming procurement organizations. Those are called FPOs. So మేము స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ లో ఒక ఇలా ప్రోడక్ట్ అనుకుంటున్నాం, ఇలా చేద్దాం అన్నప్పుడు we approach the farmer community organizations. They're very good. I see their love and efforts towards the young entrepreneurs like us to support. So వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే we explain, మేము అంత అమౌంట్ ఇచ్చి, like because if you take any small quantity ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది రీటైల్ ప్రైస్ కి వస్తుంది. సో ఆ రీటైల్ ప్రైస్ తో మీరు ప్రోడక్ట్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేసి ప్యాక్ చేసి మళ్ళీ రీటైల్ మార్కెట్ కంటే టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ అయిపోతుంది, వేర్ యూ కెన్ నాట్ సస్టైన్ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్, ఆర్ ఫర్ యువర్ సస్టైనిటీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కంపెనీ విల్ బి టూ లో. సో నేను వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి, నౌ గివ్ అస్ సమ్ టైమ్, మేము నాకు ఒక 1 year ఆఫ్ టైం ఇవ్వండి, వి విల్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్. మీకు ఆర్డర్స్ అనేవి బల్క్ లో ఇచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ మేము ఉన్నాయి. టిల్ దెన్ మాకు బల్క్, మీరు ఏదైతే పెద్ద పెద్ద కంపెనీస్ కి ఆ ప్రైస్ ఇస్తారో అదే ప్రైస్ మాకు కూడా ఇవ్వండి అని వి కన్విన్స్డ్ దెమ్. సో దే ఆల్సో అండర్స్టూడ్ ద పెయిన్, అండ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ ప్రైస్. అండ్ ఇవన్నీ మేము ఎక్కడి నుంచి ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే, వన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ మహారాష్ట్ర, లైక్ జాగరీ ఉంటే వి ప్రొక్యూర్ ఫ్రమ్ మహారాష్ట్ర. కొంతమంది ఇవి మన జోవార్ ఇవన్నీ మిల్లెట్స్ అయితే కనుక మన లోకల్ వి హావ్ వికారాబాద్ నుంచి కానీ, కర్నూలు నుంచి కానీ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి కానీ, లైక్ we have few more than ఒక 300 farmers ఉన్నారు మా కాంటాక్ట్స్ లో. సో we procure ingredients from them. And peanuts తీసుకుంటే నెల్లూరు నుంచి వస్తాయి. సో దట్ లైక్ we see each and every product. అండ్ మేము ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఆ ఫార్మర్స్ కి కూడా, లైక్ నాట్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్మర్స్, యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యు, FPOs. ఆ FPOs ఏంటంటే దే ఆర్ సర్టిఫైడ్ అన్నమాట. కొంతమంది ఆర్గానిక్ సర్టిఫైడ్ ఉంటారు, కొంతమంది న్యాచురల్ అండ్ ఆర్గానిక్ ప్రాసెస్ ని ఫాలో అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు అనమాట. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఆ క్వాలిటీ టెస్ట్ ఎనాలిసిస్ తీసుకొని అలాంటి టెస్ట్ చేసిన ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మేము ప్రొక్యూర్ చేసుకోవడం చేస్తాం అనమాట. వీఆర్ వెరీ కాషియస్ అబౌట్ అవర్ క్వాలిటీ.
Ma'am, another question.
Yes.
Were there any factors considered for selecting a particular school or supermarket?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Were there any factors considered for selecting a particular school or company producing the
No, for
the
making
nuts,
your
energy
products
bars?
available, Radha, for making your products available, how do you choose?
Were
Like
there
you
any
have
factors?
opted for Delhi Public School, Johnson Grammar, right? So how did you opt for is the question. How did you choose?
Okay, I understood this question as like, how did I choose my target audience? Is this ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, I know the product which I have. Now I have what I have seen is like I did a pilot study of giving my products to customers. Now I have seen who like the most. So I have seen children's ఎక్కువ ఇష్టపడటం చూసాను. And this product is for everybody. No, పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎలాంటి products ఇష్టపడతారు, చిన్నపిల్లలు ఎలాంటి products ఇష్టపడతారు, and స్కూల్ గోయింగ్ కాలేజ్ గోయింగ్ యూత్ ఎలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇష్టపడతారు అనేవి కొన్ని ఒకటి వచ్చేసి శాంప్లింగ్ చేసి తెలుసుకున్నాము. సెకండ్ వచ్చేసి మార్కెట్ లో ఎలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఎవరు ఎక్కువ కొంటున్నారు అనేది మార్కెట్ అనాలిసిస్ చేసినప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ మేము ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్, మేము పైలట్ స్టడీలో వీ హావ్ క్వశ్చన్ వి అండర్స్టూడ్ అబౌట్ అవర్ క్లయింట్స్ గురించి అర్థం చేసుకున్నప్పుడు దెన్ వీ గెట్ నో, వాళ్ళే చెప్పారన్నమాట మాకు ఇలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్, మా పిల్లలు ఇవి ఎక్కువ తింటున్నారు, లేదా మా పిల్లలు ఇలాంటి టేస్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఇష్టపడుతున్నారు. Then accordingly we have choose our products and our services, target audience. Schools paranga aithe kuda, when like we have, as we told, like initial stages nunche, like in my journey nenu ade cheptూ వచ్చా కదా, schools are like the people. మనకి ఒక తెలుగులో కూడా ఒక సామెత ఉంటది కదా, ముక్కై వంగందే మానే వంగుతుంది అని. సో లైక్ వేర్ చిన్న పిల్లలు ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పినా దే ఆర్ ఇన్ అ స్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ అన్నమాట. సో వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం, అర్థం చేపించడం ఈజీ. అండ్ టుడేస్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ టుమారో సిటిజన్స్. సో వాళ్ళకి ఒక రైట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగితే వాళ్ళే రేపొద్దున అలాంటి గుడ్ థింగ్స్ తీసుకెళ్తారు అనేది మేము ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మా కస్టమర్స్ గురించి కంప్లీట్ గా అర్థం చేసుకొని 2 ways లో చేసాం. ఫార్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేసాం, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేసాం. ఒకటి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎవరికి సూటబుల్ అవుతుంది అనేది టెస్ట్ చేసాము. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇలాంటి టార్గెట్ పీపుల్ కి ఎలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఇస్తే ఇష్టపడతారు అనేవి 2 విధాలుగా చూసుకున్న తర్వాత దెన్ వి ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది లాంచ్ చేయడం చేస్తాం అన్నమాట మార్కెట్ లో.
Next question, ma'am. What are the challenges facing with the peers presently?
ఛాలెంజెస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పియర్స్ అంటే ఎస్, కొంతమంది ఏంటంటే లైక్ దే డూ ఫాల్స్ ప్రామిసెస్ అవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ లో, విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఇంటర్నల్, అది మాకు తెలుసు. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అయితే కనుక వి సీ దర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ వచ్చేసాయి మార్కెట్ లోకి. నౌ కస్టమర్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్, నేను ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఎవ్రీబడి ఆర్ ప్రామిసింగ్ సంథింగ్. So now I have to highlight why a customer has to pick my product. I'm not a monopoly in the market, my product. So that kind of pressure is there. So many products ఉండడం వల్ల ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ క్రియేట్ కాకుండా మేము ఒక క్లారిటీతో ముందుకు వెళ్ళడమే our intention right now.
Ma'am, next question. What is your biggest fear and how do you manage it?
What is my biggest fear? Biggest fear ఏంటంటే I have to think. See, actually I don't want to, market lo like personal గా అయితే I have to give myself 100% every day. నేను 100% ఇవ్వకపోతే then that night will be my nightmare time అయిపోతుంది. సో I don't want to sit idle. అవన్నీ like I have to మార్కెట్ ని ఎట్లయినా సరే I have to take my product. ఏదైనా ఛాలెంజ్ వస్తే ఎట్లా చేయాలి అనేది ఉంటది. సో I can say that in terms I can say that I wanted to be prepared myself for everything. If I don't, I'll get fear. నాకు దాని భయం వేస్తుంది అన్నమాట అట్లా. And I didn't second thing which you asked, sorry I forgot.
How do you manage it?
How do I manage it? Yeah, ఒకటి బుక్స్ చదువుతాను and then I'll read some motivational videos ఉంటాయి, అవి చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. And next వచ్చేసి I talk to people, like I have mentors అన్నమాట. సో వాళ్ళతో వెళ్ళి if I get any fear, for example రేపు సపోజ్ ఒక చిన్న మా కంపెనీలో ఒక ఇష్యూ వచ్చిందంటే దెన్ ఐ గో అండ్ డిస్కస్ విత్ దెమ్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఐ హ్యావ్, వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు డూ అనేది వాళ్ళతో వెళ్ళి డిస్కస్ చేయడం. లేదా ఫెలో ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్స్ ఉంటారు, ఐ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ అబౌట్ దేర్ జర్నీ. అంటే నేను ఒక్కదాన్నే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నానా ఆర్ లైక్ వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారా, ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు అని అంటే వాళ్ళు బయటికి రావడానికి వాళ్ళు ఎలాంటి సొల్యూషన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు అనేది కూడా ఐ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
Okay. And ma'am, next question. Have you worked in any company after MBA so as to gain any experience, or did you just take off?
సో కాలేజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లా చేశాను. ఆఫ్టర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ డైరెక్ట్ గానే ఒక పైలట్ స్టడీ ఇలా స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇచ్చేసాను. అండ్ యా, నేనైతే పర్సనల్ గా కంపెనీలో జాబ్ లో అయితే చేయలేదు.
Okay. Next question, ma'am. Is this Migo store available in Swiggy or Zomato?
Very soon you're going to see in Swiggy and Zomato.
And next question. Will your idea reach out in rural areas where they are being habituated for the routine snack food like Lay's, Bingo? Does it satisfy them?
Yes. Okay. Will my product will be accepted? Is that question? Will they accept my product or not? Is that the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Will they? Yes, of course. It's all about for tier 2 cities or tier 3 cities. They more focus about this. They are very price conscious, and yes, we are working. We are studying about their వాళ్ళ ఒక ఎకనామిక్ కండిషన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ ఒక యాక్సెప్టెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అని దాని ప్రకారంగా వీఆర్ డిజైనింగ్ అ ప్రోడక్ట్ అండ్ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు లాంచ్. సో ఎస్, స్టడీ చేసి వర్క్అవుట్ చేసి దెన్ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు లాంచ్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ దట్ డెఫినెట్లీ, బికాస్ వన్స్ దే నో, వాళ్ళకి బాగా తెలుసు మిల్లెట్స్ అంటే, బికాస్ దే హావ్ బీన్ ఈటింగ్ జొన్న రొట్టెలు ఇవన్నీ తింటూ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఇంకా బాగా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారని వీఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఆన్ దాట్. Yes.
And next question. What's the reason behind branding the name Migo?
Yes. Migo, we have seen many names anamata. Names అవన్నీ చూసినప్పుడు సంథింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ టు క్యారీ వెరీ ఈజీలీ. సో హౌ అని ఆలోచించినప్పుడు దెన్ మిల్లెట్ స్నాక్ ఆన్ ద గో వచ్చినప్పుడు దెన్ మిల్లెట్ లో ఎంఐని ఎంఈ చేసాము, ఆన్ ద గో లో గోని తీసుకొని, సో వేర్ ఎవర్ యూ క్యారీ హెల్దీ స్నాక్స్, దట్స్ హౌ వి కంబైన్ మీగో. సో వేర్ ఎవర్ ఐ గో ఐ హావ్ టు క్యారీ హెల్దీ స్నాక్ అన్నట్టుగా, దట్స్ హౌ వి డిజైన్డ్.
Next question, ma'am. How much time did it take for your firm to achieve break-even point?
It took literally, I say 3 years. Yeah, 3 years పట్టింది మాకు బ్రేక్ ఈవెన్ రావడానికి.
Ma'am, next question. How are you planning for expansion in retail outlets?
We are planning, there is a retail, there are some lines ఉంటాయి, like for example distributors, this retail chain అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, hierarchy which I precisely can say. So ఈ hierarchy లో we have super stockists, distributors, retailers and then manufacturers which we have. And వీళ్ళందరినీ like we have one SOP, ఒక SOP checklist అనేది ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో వాళ్ళ త్రూగా we have some questionnaires అవన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. సో we'll scrutinize each. There are so many distributors. So అలాంటి వాళ్ళ we have so many enquiries కూడా వచ్చే distributors నుంచి. So finding a right good distributor ni, good super stockist in other states and other cities lo. For here we are looking for distributors, and through distributors we're going to launch a products in the market. And there will be market lo kuda there are different types of channels unnai, like supermarkets, they are called as a modern trade antaru. And then standalone supermarkets antaru, like standalone ante they are like only one or two chains, చిన్న supermarkets. And then we have exclusive stores like organic natural products అమ్మే stores ఒకటి ఉంటాయి, and mom and pop up stores కూడా ఉంటాయి. So that is called general trade. General trade మేము ఇప్పుడే టార్గెట్ చేయట్లేదు, that's a mass people, like mass like huge amount of production facilities అనేది మా దగ్గర ఉండాలి. So now we are eliminating a mass market. Now we are very much focused on this modern trade, standalone markets, and single store, this exclusive supermarkets and medical stores. So వీళ్ళ త్రూగా వెళ్దాము అనేది నా రీటైల్ చైన్ కి ఇలా ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలనేది our strategy.
Ma'am, next question. Can you share an experience where you applied new technology or information in your job, and how did it help your Migo?
Yes, as I told you, we tied up with the IIMR, Indian Institute of Millet Research. So మా దగ్గర ఏదైతే I have shown you a picture, right, extruder snack అని చెప్పేసి, that is a technology. So our technology of a product we introduced that kind. అదేంటంటే it's like a non-fried, and this is a air cooked snack which you don't need to get guilty about. So products market లో కూడా we have to give them a good product. So ఆ ఉద్దేశంతో this technology which we have taken from the IMR, ఆ product ని మేము మా దాంట్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసాం. That's how it is helpful అన్నమాట, a technology.
Next question. What is your customer retention?
Customer retention, actually this is like which we can say up and downs ఉన్నాయి, but yes, ఇప్పటి వరకు we are sustained in this market is because of the customers. So repeat orders కానీ, yes, we are getting a very good till now the feedback from the customer NPA and like if you can rating అయితే which we have taken till now అయితే it is coming around 7.5 to 8 వచ్చింది. So we wanted to maintain that customer interest avanni. So yeah, that's how it is.
Next question, ma'am. How much was your initial investment?
Initial investment
Great.
was it is like a zero, to be frank చెప్పాలి అంటే. So then మాది ఎట్లా ఉండే అంటే ప్లాన్, schools కి registrations తీసుకొని వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన amount తోనే we used to go and purchase the material and do a processing and everything and give the, so దాంట్లో వచ్చిన amount ని rotation చేసుకుంటూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు. Max we have spent మేము ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసింది ఏంటంటే like all 3 friends together. So we invested around 1 lakh, I guess, for the span of 2 years. For the span of 2 years, we invested 1 lakh, and we got an investment from a private investor or the common friend of friend. So while through ga maak investment ochindi, so now we are managing with our investment.
Next question. What is your average turnover, ma'am?
Currently our average turnover is 15 lakhs per annum last year, and now we wanted to make it to 75 lakhs per 50 to 75 lakhs in this current year, or like next financial year ki mema position ki ravalanedi our target now. So we are working on it. We will be.
All the best, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, next question. What is the first product, ma'am? What is the company's first product?
Our company's first product is wet snacks. అంటే మేము like sprouts అవన్నీ ఉండే like raw material తీసుకొచ్చి I used to cook, I and my friend used to cook in our house అన్నమాట. My mom used to help. We three, like my grandparents కి ఫోన్ చేసి I used to come and ask them, కిచిడి చేసేవాళ్ళం, sprouts తో some masala type చాట్ మసాలా అవన్నీ వేసి చేసేవాళ్ళం. And next we used to do popcorns కూడా ఇంట్లోనే చేసి ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళం అన్నమాట. దట్స్ హౌ వి యూస్ టు డూ. సో దట్స్ ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ లో ఉండి, అంటే ఫ్రూట్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళం. దట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ లడ్డూస్ చేసేవాళ్ళం, చిన్న చిన్న లడ్డూస్. సో అట్లా.
You got few of them to our college also, right, Radha?
Yeah, ma'am.
The initial products you brought them to our college also. I remember Sukanya madam, myself eating them, tasting them. The initial products.
Yes, that was the second one. Starting కాకుండా
Acha.
నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్ లో వచ్చింది ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అన్నమాట. ఎక్స్ట్రూడెడ్ స్నాక్స్ అంటారు, దట్ ఈస్ నాన్ ఫ్రైడ్ స్నాక్స్.
Yeah.
అండ్ దట్ వాస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అయింది. చిప్స్ అవన్నీ చేసేవాళ్ళం డీప్ ఫ్రై.
Yes.
Ma'am, next question.
Yes.
What is the best idea? Taking out the profit of the business or reinvesting of profit in business in various departments?
It depends upon the company, like it depends upon the stage you are in. Right now, we are not taking any profits from our company because we are reinvesting in our own company for the development stage. Once my target like more increase అయినప్పుడు, then so how we will manage అంటే some of our profits మేము savings చేసుకొని some of the profits we wanted to reinvest in our own company, the development of our company. That is what our strategy. We have taken that kind of a strategy for our company.
Next question. What motivates you to keep going?
Yeah, as I told you, it's my people, idea, అండ్ మా కస్టమర్స్ టు బి ఫ్రాంక్ చెప్పాలి అంటే మెనీ కస్టమర్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన ఎంతో పాజిటివ్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ద పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ అన్నమాట. పిల్లలు కానీ వాళ్ళ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ వన్స్ దే ఈట్ అవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అండ్ దే సే దిస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ విచ్ నాకు ఇంత మంచి ప్రోడక్ట్ దొరికినప్పుడు ఆల్ దిస్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ అవన్నీ చూస్తా కదా, దెన్ ఐ సే ఎస్, సో పీపుల్ నీడ్ అవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్, సో మా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కి చాలా అవసరం ఉంది, వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద బెస్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి దట్ గివ్స్ అ మోటివేషన్.
And ma'am, next question: do the product have preservatives? No.
Yes, we don't have, yes, in the sense we don't use any preservatives. So yes, ikkada I wanted to address one more thing. As I discussed, we don't use any preservatives, we don't use any chemicals or colors or artificial flavors, artificial things. And everybody, like I can even say starting lo my product shelf life is only 20 days to 30 days undedi, or max to 1 month anamata. Then we approached the packing people, experts ni approach ayyamu. సో వాళ్ళని అప్రోచ్ అయినప్పుడు దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ సమ్ ప్యాకింగ్ స్టోరింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ అనేవి ఇచ్చారు, ప్యాకింగ్ కానీ ప్యాకింగ్ మెటీరియల్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ స్టోర్ ఎనీ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇన్ అ ప్రాపర్ వే, యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ఎనీ ప్రిజర్వేటివ్స్ అనేది మాకు అర్థమైంది. దెన్ అది టెస్టింగ్ టెస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ నౌ ఫ్యూ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్, నాట్ ఆల్, వీ కెన్ సే నాట్ ఆల్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్స్, మంచి ప్యాకింగ్ యూస్ చేయడం వల్ల వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ అరౌండ్ 3 months వరకు వస్తుంది. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఐ కెనాట్ గ్యారంటీ, ఐ నీడ్ టు ఎయిదర్ యాడ్ ప్రిజర్వేటివ్స్ or anything to make them at least 6 months, 7 months undadaniki. So no added preservatives.
Great, ma'am. Next question: are you planning to go into other product lines like instant foods, drinks, etc.?
Yes, yes, we wanted to enter into different product lines. Our upcoming R&D products are I cannot tell everything right now, but yes,
Great,
different
great.
product lines, different products are will be available from here onwards, because once maybe retail chain lo we wanted to start off with 4 SKUs stock keeping unit. So 4 products to mem launch avutunnamo, maybe in the month of already launched in the stores, but as I told you, redesigning of a packing అనేది చేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. Once that is launched, that will be done in the month of June mid kalle, that will be available in the stores, that kind of a new packing. And every 1 to 2 to 3 months ki new product అనేది లాంచ్ చేయాలనే that was our strategy. We are also working back end లో R&D పైన కూడా మేము వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం, న్యూ ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్స్ పైన.
Ma'am, next question:
Yes.
do the products get in every store in our state?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Will the products be available in every store in our state?
As I told you, we are only targeting on modern trade, standalone supermarkets, exclusive stores, and few of the medical stores. అవి ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ మీ ఎవ్రీబడి పక్కనే ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి yes, I say yes, you will going to see, but not in mom and pop up stores.
Next question: what if someone like a student is interested in taking distribution rights for a particular area where he don't have any past experience but ready to take up? How can he approach?
I would suggest you to understand, first of all, understand the market, because it's not so easy to do a distribution, because retail people are so complicated channel, which I can say. So I suggest you to just go అండర్స్టాండ్ ద మార్కెట్, రీటైల్ చైన్ ఎలా ఉంది ఏంటి అని అర్థం చేసుకున్న తర్వాత దెన్ ఐ సజెస్ట్ యూ టు ఆప్ట్ ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం తీసుకొని టెస్ట్ చేసుకోండి, టెస్ట్ బేసిస్ లో అర్థం చేసుకోండి. బికాస్ వన్స్ యూ ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కాకుండా ఒక పర్సన్ ని ఇఫ్ ఎనీ కంపెనీ హైర్ చేసుకుంటే వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్ ఏంటంటే, ఫస్ట్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఫైనాన్షియల్ పరంగా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సెకండ్ ఏంటంటే బోత్ ద కంపెనీ ఇతనికి ఇద్దరికి రెప్యుటేషన్ డామేజ్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. సో ఐ సజెస్ట్ గో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవ్వండి, అర్థం చేసుకోండి మార్కెట్ ని, వాళ్ళు ఏమేమి ప్రోడక్ట్స్, వాళ్ళ మార్జిన్స్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు, అండ్ వాళ్ళ యొక్క పేమెంట్ పాలసీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, క్రెడిట్ టైం ఎలా ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళ రిపీట్ ఆర్డర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఏవి ఎక్కువ పోతున్నాయి అక్కడ, ఇలాంటివి అర్థం చేసుకొని అలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ చిన్నగా స్టార్ట్ చేసి దెన్ గో ఫర్ అని అంటాను. సో yeah, that's
okay ma'am. Next question:
Yes.
You are surely helping the public to eat healthy. But what is your contribution towards the environment, like getting rid of plastic packing?
All right. సో మా ప్యాకింగ్ ఒకటి వచ్చేసి ఎకో ఫ్రెండ్లీ ప్యాకింగ్, మాక్సిమం ఎకో ఫ్రెండ్లీ మేము స్టార్టింగ్ లో చేస్తుండే. బట్ మేము ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే నౌ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ రీసైక్లబుల్ ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. నౌ వెరీ సూన్ వీఆర్ ఆల్సో వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ అవర్ ప్యాకింగ్ రిలేటెడ్. ఎస్, వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ ఇట్. సో బెస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే రీసైక్లబుల్ ప్లాస్టిక్ తీసుకున్నాము. అండ్ సెకండ్ వచ్చేసి అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లాస్టిక్, అదర్ వేస్ లో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ విషయంలో అయితే దట్ ఇస్ వన్, యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంటరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ క్రాప్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామని. అండ్ మా దగ్గర వేస్టేజ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కూడా లైక్ మాక్సిమం మేము ఎట్లా చేస్తామంటే జస్ట్ ఇన్ టైం లాగా, వన్స్ వీ రిసీవ్డ్ అన్ ఆర్డర్ we pack and we give it to the, so that's how we are managing our production facilities కూడా. అట్లా మేము యాక్టివిటీస్ అవన్నీ ప్లాన్ చేసి చేస్తున్నాం. ఎస్, ఐ డూ అగ్రీ విత్ ద ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది. ఇఫ్ మీలో ఎవరైనా ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ప్లాస్టిక్ ఫ్రీ తీసుకొస్తే ఐ విల్ బి ద ఫస్ట్ కస్టమర్ టు యూ. ఐఎమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ సర్చింగ్ ఫర్ దాట్.
Okay, ma'am. Next question. Ma'am, do you have a plan for abroad package and delivery?
Yes, we do have our plant. I'm about to show. I'm actually show my factory video. We have a production facility separate undi, packing facility separate undi, and delivery kuda separate undi. Memo 2 types of deliveries unnai ma daggara. Okati third party logistics to tie up ayam. Indaga I have shown in the video Shiprocket ani. So FedEx, Gaati వీళ్ళతో టై అప్ అయ్యాము. అండ్ మా ఓన్ డెలివరీ సిస్టమ్ కూడా ఉంది. సో వి యూస్ బోత్. ఏది టైం కి ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ గా ఉంటే వి యూస్. సో ఆర్ అల్టిమేట్ యూస్ టు మేక్ ద కస్టమర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ అండ్ గివ్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ యాజ్ ఎర్లీ as possible. Yes, that's I'll show you in the video. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one more question.
Yes.
Have you suffered any severe financial difficulty in the initial stages, and how did you manage to come out of it?
Yes. In the initial stage మేము ప్రోడక్ట్ లాంచ్ చేసిన, ఐ మీన్ పైలట్ బేసిస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ అనుకున్న తర్వాత స్కూల్స్ కి అప్రోచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఒక 5 schools కి సప్లై చేసాము. 6th school was the Johnson Grammar School. So Johnson Grammar School strength was 3,000 and the management interested and they liked our product. Now we don't have a finance problem. We have a finance problem. We don't have a proper production facility ledu and team ledu. The first thing they questioned ఏంటంటే what is your capacity ఏంటి అని అడిగారు. I said only 4 people అని అంటే you guys cannot survive to my but 3,000 లైక్ పీపుల్ కి మీరు సప్లై చేయలేరు. నేను ఏదైనా ఒక ఐడియా ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఏదైనా ఒకటి మేము ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తే దట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి కంటిన్యూ. సో మీరు వన్స్ డెవలప్ అయిన తర్వాత రండి అన్న ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దెన్ దట్ టైమ్ వి గాట్ టు నో ఫైనాన్స్ గా ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, ఎంత కావాలి ఏంటి అనేది కరెక్ట్ కూర్చొని ప్లాన్ చేసాం. అండ్ ఇట్ రియల్లీ టుక్ 1 year టు రేజ్ అన్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్. మేము ఆ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ రావడానికి దట్ డే నుంచి వి అప్రోచ్ టు బ్యాంక్స్ కి వెళ్ళాము, we approached NGOs కి వెళ్ళాము, గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కి వెళ్ళాము, అండ్ దెన్ ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ కి అప్లై చేసాము. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ మొత్తం ఒక 1 year వరకు ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ కోసం తిరగడమే అయ్యింది. బట్ యా, ఫైనల్లీ వి గాట్ ఇట్.
Ma'am, one more question. Can we visit after the situations get calmed down? Can we visit the outlet at Nacharam after the lockdown?
Manufacturing.
Of course, anytime, please. I am pleased to invite you all. Like, I love to show my, like, మీరు చూసి మీరు ఇంకా నేను చెప్పింది కరెక్టా కాదా అనేది అప్పుడు నాకు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కూడా ఇవ్వాలి. I will love to. Definitely after ఒకసారి కరోనా తగ్గిపోయిన తర్వాత డెఫినెట్ గా అందరూ రండి. I'm so happy to see you all. Show you all lively.
Ma'am, one more question.
Yes.
How is your relationship with your partner?
Partner in terms of business partners?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually ఏంటంటే దట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ మేము ఏంటంటే వీ హావ్ బీన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. యాక్చువల్ కాలేజ్ లో చదువుతున్నప్పుడు ఐ డిడ్ మై ఇంజనీరింగ్. సో అప్పటి నుంచే మేము ఫ్రెండ్స్ అన్నమాట. సో వి నో అబౌట్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో అప్పటి నుంచి మేము కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉన్నాం. మాకు కూడా లైక్ ఎవ్రీ టైం ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చిందంటే like one person will say yes, one person will say no. That is very important. Okay, healthy discussion అనేది చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం అన్నమాట. Of course differences will come, that differences makes us so strong. ఎందుకు why he is saying no to my idea, or why I am saying no to his idea or her idea అనేది మేము కూర్చొని డిస్కస్ చేసుకొని then we'll come to us. కాబట్టి yes, so we are friends actually. So you will understand my relationship ఎలా ఉంటుందో. Now you will going to understand.
Okay, ma'am. Next question. What is your favorite aspect of being an entrepreneur?
Like in terms of characteristics and like like what is your, I didn't get your question.
Like aspect in the sense, how does it like giving jobs as aspect as that, in that aspect?
Being an entrepreneur, what do you think
Being
is
an
the pride?
entrepreneur, what is your favorite aspect? Yes, ma'am. What is your pride of being an entrepreneur?
For what you're doing, you feel like I have did the right choice, or I am the luckiest to be an entrepreneur, or I have taken the right decision. So what makes you feel that is the question probably.
All right. So what makes me feel I took a right decision, and it's like when I get a feedback from the people, it's like when I see that my ideas now gani now that is what I'm passionate about. I wanted to give good food to the people. Ala ichinappudalla I get this. Okay, this gives me a positive feeling. So ఏంటంటే I'm doing something good to the society. I am doing good to myself. So that is the aspect ade making me feel so good about me to go into this journey. So very soon, well, in the future, if I want to become a serial entrepreneur. That is my ultimate dream, in my personal dream. So where will I going to invest myself on? I'll invest on the products which related to the environment, which related to the society. So I may invest in I may start a company after this, make company connected to a nature, connected to mother nature. So that gives me that aspect, that motivates me. So something I'm doing good, something I'm not harming to anybody. I'm not harming. ఈ రోజు నేను ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ బయట అమ్ముతున్నానంటే that product is also నేను తింటాను, మా ఫ్యామిలీ తింటారు, అందరు తింటారు. So I'm giving a good అన్న ఒక satisfaction, positive thing makes me, that aspect అనేది I say motivates me. Hope I answered any
Ma'am,
question.
how did you handle the COVID situation?
Yeah, I've mentioned in the presentation too that I've actually seen that's where the potential in చెప్పా కదా in the presentation లో కూడా. So COVID time లో we got to know that people are searching for a good products. Now we have seen where our products can be there. So మేము gated communities కి supply చేయడం start చేసాం. There are few people who tie up with the gated communities, like fruits and vegetables supply చేసేవాళ్ళు. సో వాళ్ళతో మేము టైఅప్ అయ్యి మా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ని కస్టమర్స్ వరకు రీచ్ అవ్వడం, తీసుకెళ్లడం చేసాం అనమాట. దట్స్ సో వి.
Ma'am, next question. We have job security and steady incomes guaranteed. Is it actually worth rejecting the job and taking the entrepreneurial path?
Are you like, I'm just understanding, job security ఉన్నా కూడా అది వదిలేసుకొని బిజినెస్ చేయడం కరెక్ట్?
Business చేయొచ్చు.
Okay.
Entrepreneurship.
Okay. See, I will not comment on this question because it's all about passion. If you are searching, if you are passionate about your whatever you are doing, మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, if you are passionate and you are not interested the financial, see for example I'll tell you, one of my cousin unnaru, he's well settled and he wanted to start his own company, but తనకి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి లైక్ కాలేజ్ లో చదువుతున్నప్పటి దగ్గర నుంచి సొంతంగా కంపెనీ పెట్టాలి అని చెప్పేసి, బట్ 40 ఏజ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా he couldn't able to start because of the responsibilities he has. Now he is regretting right now. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను అంటే, ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టార్ట్ అండ్ మీకు ఒక ప్యాషన్ ఉంది అని అంటే then go ahead and under. It's all about your decision. I can't comment on this seriously. I have choose this because I don't want to regret in my later stages. So let me just failure is also very important. You have to see, that is I didn't address in the presentation. Failure. You should accept the failure. It's not about your business ane kaadu. Life lo kuda whatever it is, you should accept. Life is both success and failure, up and down. So should accept the both. That is what I say. So it's okay. It's just an option. Always I don't see any other. నేను ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ అనుకోలే, నాకు ఇదే అనుకున్నాను. If not that, we'll see some other time. But na చేతిలో ఉన్న ఈ opportunity I don't want to miss. I want to give my 100%. So now I'm doing it. That's it. So that's how I have taken this. Yeah.
Yeah. Now these are the questions.
Okay. So hope like any questions, or that's it?
Yes.
That's it.
One second.
Yeah.
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
Yep.
If there is an offer from a big company, will you merge?
Okay. That all depends upon the company and its. Right now, we are only focused on about our company and expansion. So maybe in the future, I'll look into it. What is the company, or whether it is good or not. So I have to consider. I have to look into all the aspects, and I have to take a decision accordingly. So I can't comment anything right now.
Ma'am, question.
Yes.
Does our MBA program practically applicable in business?
Yeah, I say like MBA programs, whatever names MBA చదువుకునేటప్పుడు I've opted marketing. So college lo whatever మా faculty teaching చేసేటప్పుడు I used to relate my MBA things with the reality. That's how నేను ఏంటంటే like I studied everything with the reality లో implement చేసి ఆలోచిస్తూ చదివాను. Like for example, if faculty is teaching today as a subject called pricing చెప్పినప్పుడు, now I go out and I see what kind of pricing strategies people are implementing. That's how you have to do. So మీరు ఇక్కడ థియరీ నేర్చుకుంటారు, అండ్ ఆ థియరీ బయట ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ అవుతుందనేది మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తేనే you'll understand about the concept. And many times నేను కాలేజ్ అండ్ మనకి 4 ప్రోడక్ట్ మిక్స్ అంటారు కదా, 5 ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రైస్, ఆల్ దోస్ మిక్స్, ఇవన్నీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ యువర్ బిజినెస్ సెటప్ చేశారు. స్టార్టింగ్ లో మీకు అంత కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండొచ్చు, బట్ వన్స్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్, ఫర్ మీ నాకు స్టార్టింగ్ లో కొంచెం ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి ఏంటి అని ఒక క్లారిటీ లేకపోతుండే, బికాస్ ఆల్ సో మెనీ టాస్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. వన్స్ ఒక్కొక్కటి చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు దెన్ ఒక్కొక్కటి ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి, జస్ట్ ఇన్ టైం ఎట్లా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి, ఆ స్ట్రాటజీస్ తీసుకురావడానికి. సో ఎవ్రీవేర్ యూ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు, మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దట్ మీరు చదివేటప్పుడే ఇది నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి అనేది మీరు అనుకుంటే, దెన్ మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అది ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలో మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. సో ఎస్, అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి, బట్ అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఆర్ నాట్, దానిపైన డిపెండెంట్ ఉంటుంది.
Question. Being a woman entrepreneur, have you faced any challenges from the society, restrictions from your parents, etc.?
Yeah. So I will tell you this in a brief way. Parents నుంచి అయితే సపోర్ట్, I will it's a big support. Today whatever I am here is because of my parents support. So I will not comment anything, because వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్ లేకుండా ఈ పొజిషన్కి వచ్చేదానే కాదు, అండ్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఉండేదానే కాదు. సో వాళ్ళని పక్కన పెడితే, ఎస్ ఐ గాట్ అ క్రిటిసిజం. లైక్ నేను ఎంబీఏలో మార్కెటింగ్ తీసుకున్న రోజు నుంచి ఐ గాట్ ద క్రిటిసిజం, లైక్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ నాట్ మెంట్ ఫర్ గర్ల్స్, రోడ్ల లైక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు హౌస్ వెళ్ళాలి, ఆర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సేల్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్. అంటే దెర్ ఇస్ అ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్, పీపుల్ నో దిస్. హోప్ మీ మార్కెటింగ్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి రేపు లైక్ నెక్స్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ లో మీకు కూడా ఒక క్లారిటీ రావచ్చు. లైక్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ సేల్స్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్. బయట అందరికి ఎలా తెలుసు అంటే మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ అంటే సేల్స్, అంటే you have to sell the product. That is the only thing people, most of the people ఒక stereotype of thinking అనేది ఉంది. So ఆ thinking లో they said no, marketing is not for the girls, not you should like once you get married ఇవన్నీ చేయడం కష్టం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ ఇంకోటి రిలేటివ్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి కానీ సొసైటీ నుంచి అయితే సొసైటీ నుంచి ఎలాంటి క్రిటిసిజమ్స్ వచ్చాయి అని అంటే ఇది చేయడం కష్టం, ఇది వర్కౌట్ కాదు, దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రావడం. అందరూ చేయలేదు, ఐ సే వెరీ లెస్. చెప్పాలి అంటే బయట పీపుల్ ఎక్కువ సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. రిలేటివ్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ టూ క్లోజ్ బట్ దే నో అబౌట్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆర్ నేబర్స్ నుంచి ఎస్ వచ్చింది డెఫినెట్ గా. అంటే దే కీప్ ఆన్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసావు, రేపు పొద్దున మ్యారేజ్ అయిపోతుంది అండ్ యుల్ గెట్ చిల్డ్రన్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో హౌ యుల్ గోయింగ్ టు మేనేజ్ అప్పుడు కంపెనీ, ఒకవేళ ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ యువర్ పర్సన్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్, సో మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ దే కీప్ ఆన్ ఆస్కింగ్. అవసరమా, లేకపోతే ఎందుకు ఇంత కష్టపడటం, ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు, చక్కగా జాబ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, లేకపోతే ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు కదా. సో దట్స్ I don't know what to explain. I can't explain to them at that stage. I'm not proven or I don't have anything to show. All I used to tell them, okay, thank you so much for your such. It's okay, I took it in a positive way. They want me to be in a కష్టపడకుండా మంచిగా ఉండాలి అని అనుకున్నారు కాబట్టి ఓకే, ఐల్ సే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ సజెషన్ డెఫినెట్లీ. బట్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే ఇట్ ఈస్ మై థింగ్ వెదర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు రిసీవ్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో అది కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది సజెషన్ అంటే ఐ విల్ టేక్ అండ్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్. నాకు అది కరెక్ట్ కాదనిపించింది అంటే దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఎస్ అంటే అండ్ మేనేజింగ్, యా మేనేజింగ్ డే టు డే యాక్టివిటీస్ అనేది కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో యా దట్స్ pretty much unde gani, but now I've just forgot everything and I'm just working on my progress. Just you have to be confident about yourself, what you are doing. You have to be strong about yourself. You have to be so I think myself as I can do anything. So whatever the challenges is there, I have to face it, I have to do it. That's it. That's my ultimate thing which I'll tell to myself. అవన్నీ ఆలోచించడానికి టైం ఉండదు కూడా మీరు, బికాస్ మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వరకు యూ సి దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికి వీక్ డేస్ అంటే సాటర్డే సండే దే ఆస్ మీ ఫర్ అవుట్ అండ్ ఐ సెడ్ నో, ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఫర్ మీ 24/7 is like a business, but I enjoy doing it. I love to do it. And any day can be a Sunday for me, any day can be a Monday for me. So it's like I'm working for myself, I'm doing for myself. That's really gives a motivation for everything. సో ఐ డోంట్ గెట్ టైమ్, అంత టైం కూడా ఉండదు ప్రతి థింగ్ హూఎవర్ సైడ్ అవన్నీ ఆలోచించే అంత టైం. బికాస్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ completely busy with your activities, my question is like where you going to get time to think about all other things, what others are thinking about me anedi. So
That's it, ma'am.
All
That's
right.
it for the questions.
So I'm going to show you my factory video. How do we manufacture my factory ela untundi enti anedi. So shall I start playing that?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Sure. Actually not opening. Okay. Screen. You guys can see the video? You guys can see the video?
No, ma'am.
Share. Now? Now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's it. So today, whatever I am here is one of the team support, everybody support, everyone encouragement, the clients and everybody. So I'm very thankful to each and everything. So what I wanted to tell you all is like you have to be gratitude, show, like you have to be thankful for everything what you are till now or everything you have. So yeah, that's it. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And yes, I am very happy that to tell you all my journey with to share my journey with you all. And I'm really hoping you మీరు కూడా అందరూ like start your own company. I really ఎలాంటి support కావాలన్నా if you want in terms of any suggestions కావాలని you can reach me out anytime. My mail ID, you can the contact number which is displayed in our company website, that is I'm handling right now. You can call to that number or you can WhatsApp to that number or you can take my number from Aditya also. So don't hesitate. I am here to help you all. So we are everybody, and I wanted to see maximum amount of entrepreneurs from this. That's really that will motivates me if you can do this. Like if you can take up. Start up your own companies. I wanted to see give more and more jobs to many people and just be proud of yourself, whatever the field you choose. So all the very best. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's really a very great opportunity for me to speak in front of you after a very long time.
Yes, Radha, it's actually a happiest moment to me to listen from you. And I would say these kids who are there now, they are the luckiest because they got one successful entrepreneur who is actually so close to the organization, to the institution, who is guiding from the scratch. Very rarely somebody gets such opportunity. I'm sure you didn't get this opportunity, right, when you were doing MBA. So I feel these set of students are seriously lucky enough. Thank you so much, Radha, for being there. I'm sure you'll always extend your help to them, your guidance to them.
For sure.
Right. So keep in touch, Radha. All the best for all the big things that are awaiting your
Thank you, ma'am.
way. Right, Radha. I request Aditya to please take forward.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your guidance. And the vote of thanks will be presented by Kirtana, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, Ms. Hemashri Radha, all the faculty members and my dear friends. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this webinar a grand success. On behalf of Srinidhi Management of Studies, I give really heartfelt vote of thanks to Ms. Hemashri Radha, who spent her busiest time gracing the occasion. Today, we had the opportunity to hear your thoughts regarding entrepreneurship. Who can, how can an individual be an entrepreneur? Idea development and analysis. How an idea can be converted into business plan, presenting business plan to investors, meeting legal requirements, protecting your business, managing day-to-day operations. Along with this, you have also shown a few entrepreneurs around the world under the age of 30 and women entrepreneurs who are truly inspirational, and this is definitely encouraging us in all our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. Thanks to Ms. Hemashri Radha for adorning the occasion and sharing her opinions today. I need to mention the deep sense of appreciation and thank all the staff within the institute for giving us the opportunity to, to look into the new possible ways in the future. Finally, I would like to thank all my friends who are present here today. Have an awesome evening and thank you very much.
Thank you, Kirtana. Thank you so
Thank-
much. That was
Thanks, Akka. It is really very nice, and it is glad that we are able to know more about Miko and how you face the challenges and turn that into a positive aspect during this pandemic. It is really inspirational.
It's my pleasure and means a lot to me too. And go and like our Instagram button if you liked it, and
Yeah,
Facebook.
Definitely, ma'am.
sorry, Akka.
It was an amazing presentation, ma'am. It was
Thank you.
really great that you have shared your experiences with us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thanks for your sharing your experiences, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I end this session, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
Thank you, Akka. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Radha. Keep in touch.
Yes, ma'am, please. And take care, guys.
Yeah, please do take care. Even I was about to tell you this, Radha. Please do take care.
Sure.
Even our department is under COVID